Amazon loves asking how you dig into a broken machine learning model, and most product managers totally fail this question. They just say they asked the data science team to fix it, which makes them look like a passenger in their own product. Interviewers want to see if you actually understand the guts of your AI, not just the shiny user interface. If you don't know how the system breaks, you can't defend the product roadmap when it fails. Think about a bad water stain spreading across your living room ceiling. You can just mop the floor and paint over it. Or you can grab a flashlight, climb into the crawl space, and trace the wet pipes. You follow the water all the way back to the rusty main valve. In machine learning, we call this pipeline debugging. You never just stare at the wrong answer and guess why the model got confused. First, check the output pipe to see if the final prediction is just a little off. Next, check the middle pipes, which are your features, to see if they're broken. Then check the water tank to see if the training data was biased. Finally, find the main valve where the raw data actually enters the system. Follow the data backwards until you hit the broken valve. But here's where the plumbing metaphor falls apart, and things get tricky. Physical pipes don't change shape, but ML data is invisible, and a feature can suddenly send totally different numbers just because it rained outside or a user changed their time zone. Let's look at a real example where a fraud model started blocking legit buyers. You trace it back and find the device age feature is suddenly showing 0 days for every single user. You map out the flow from the mobile app through the event tracker into the feature store and finally to the fraud model. You dig deeper into the raw logs and find the mobile team updated the app and the new version sends a blank value that the database turns into a 0. You didn't just lower the fraud threshold to mop the puddle. You told the mobile team to fix their payload. Your first move is to demand a data lineage map so you know every pipe before you launch. Your second move is to always ask which upstream pipe broke instead of just asking if you can tweak the model weights. You're the building inspector, not the janitor. Drop these terms in your interview to sound like a pro. Don't mop the puddle. Find the broken valve. Stop blaming the model and trace the pipes. Great AI PMs trace the leak back to the source. See you in the next one.